Imagine you're walking through a crowded city. People rush to work. Cars fill the streets. Phones light up everywhere. Then someone walks past you. He's taller and stronger than most people around him. His face is broader. His brow is heavier. But nobody stares. Nobody is surprised. Because in this world, Neanderthals never went extinct. Today, Earth is home to two human species, modern humans and Neanderthals. But how different would our world be? And why did Neanderthals disappear in the first place? To answer that, we need to travel back 40,000 years. Who were the Neanderthals? Neanderthals were not primitive cavemen. They made tools. They hunted large animals. They controlled fire. They cared for injured members of their groups. Some evidence even suggests they created art and wore ornaments. For hundreds of thousands of years, Neanderthals dominated Europe and parts of Asia. Then modern humans arrived. For thousands of years, both species shared the same world. Imagine two intelligent human species living side by side. One wasn't necessarily better, just different. Yet eventually, Neanderthals disappeared. Why? Why did Neanderthals go extinct? Scientists still debate the exact reason, but several factors probably work together. First, climate change. The Ice Age brought dramatic environmental shifts. Forests disappeared. Animals migrated. Food became harder to find. Second, competition. Modern humans may have had larger social networks, more trade, better communication, better cooperation between groups. Even a small advantage can matter over thousands of years. Third, population size. Neanderthal populations were already small. A disease, famine, or harsh winter could wipe out entire groups. And finally, something surprising happened. Neanderthals didn't completely vanish. Many humans alive today still carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA. Instead of disappearing entirely, some Neanderthals may have been absorbed into the growing human population. But what if that never happened? What if both species survived? A world with two human species. Imagine history unfolding differently. Neanderthal populations remain stable. Their communities grow. Their technology improves. As civilizations rise, Neanderthals rise with them. Ancient kingdoms might contain both species. Some regions could become mostly Neanderthal. Others mostly modern human. Different cultures. Different traditions. Different languages. History books wouldn't talk about humanity as one species. They would talk about humanity as two. Every major event would look different. Wars, empires, religions, politics, everything. Now imagine the modern world. Neanderthals attend universities, become scientists, athletes, engineers, artists. Their stronger bodies might make them excel in physically demanding jobs and sports. But modern humans may still have advantages in other areas. Entire industries could be designed for different body types. Schools might teach the history of both species. Governments would need laws protecting the rights of each. Questions about identity would become far more complicated. Would people see themselves as human, Neanderthal, or both? Because interbreeding would probably still happen. Millions of people could have mixed ancestry. The challenges. A world with two intelligent human species wouldn't automatically be peaceful. History shows that humans often divide themselves over far smaller differences. There could be discrimination, political conflicts, arguments over resources. Some societies might treat Neanderthals unfairly. Others might celebrate diversity between species. The future would depend on whether cooperation wins over fear. Because intelligence alone doesn't guarantee peace. Neanderthals are often remembered as a failed branch of humanity. But that's not really true. For hundreds of thousands of years, they survived some of the harshest environments on Earth. And even though they disappeared as a separate species, part of them still lives on inside many people today. The real question isn't whether Neanderthals were inferior. It's how different our world would be if humanity had never become a single species. What would happen if, right now, you could step outside and meet another kind of human?